Now, my Buddhist friends, where did the Buddha stay when he was in Vaishali? Where did the Buddha stay when he was in Vaishali? Well, generally when he was in Vaishali, there were two places where he stayed with the Sangha. One was the Kutagar Shala in the Great Forest. It is actually Takiya in Budhi Van. Budhi Van is the Great Forest, one is the forest. That is Takiya. Takiya has been put upside down in Kuta of Kutagar Shala. Kuta is, put it upside down, it becomes Takiya. Takiya is the village's name. It's a village today. That is where the Buddha would stay. Or in Ambalatika, that is Chak Amra. Chak Amra is opposite the Kapala shrine, that is Dularpur Mutt. You have the moat between these two, between the Chak Amra Stupa and the Dularpur Mutt. So you have the moat, and Chak Amra is this side and Dularpur Mutt is that side. Now the Buddha, he used to stay there, and from there he would go to Pidhauli, that is your Vaishali, with his alms bowl, and then ask for alms and come back. And he's imparted many of his sutras up here in Chak Amra. And it was while he was here that the Amrapali drama took place. Amrapali heard that he was residing in her grove. It's Buddhists are not sure whether she had given him that grove that by then or no. But Amrapali had heard that he was residing in her grove, so she comes over, and at a distance she gets off her chariot, and she walks up to him, bows down, pays obeisance, and she invites the Buddha for food. And with his silence, the Buddha accepts. And then Amrapali, she takes him to her home, that is Bajalpura. Bajalpura, the next day she takes him to her home, that is Bajalpura. The place where they have the feast is called Mahan Sangat. You have here the word Sangha. Up here it is Sangat. Mahan Sangat. And after that feast, she offers her, park to the Buddha. That is Danyalpur, just next to Mahan Sangat, just next to Bajalpura, which was her home. In fact, later in some Buddhist texts, she offers, or she gives the Sangha her entire property. And that property is huge, folks. She was much richer than the Lichavi kings. I will be showing that to you in another video. She was much richer than the Lichavi king. But this drama of inviting the Buddha took place in Chak Amra. Yun Sang calls it the garden of the Amra grove of the Amra girl. So basically, she must have given it to him as a child. Folks, check out what Zhang Zhang has to say, and then you can see it in satellite pictures, and then you can see the video of the place itself. It is on the banks of the moat, right opposite, bang opposite the Kapala shrine, that is your Dularpur Mutt. So folks, check out what Zhang Zhang has to say.